Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy.
Look at this console gamer. Are you tired of your low FPS getting you killed all the time? I bet. What about you? Are you tired of always dying to laptop graphics and not being able to get the best frame rate? What about you? Are you tired of your terrible phone graphics getting you killed? And I bet you're tired of having to throw away your old console just because the newest one's out and your old one's outdated now? That sucks. Although I have the solution for you. Enter PC gaming. No more of that. Laptop gaming. No more upgrading your console when a new one comes out. No more gaming on your phone. Especially that sweet FPS. Well, lucky for you, we're going to be building one today. My co-host, Esteban. Are you ready for this? So today we're going to be using an MSI Z170A SLI Plus, 4 hard drives being a 300, a 500, and a 2 terabyte, an Asus Strix 390X, Corsair 750 watt power supply, H60, 16 gigs of RAM. We're going to be using the NZXT H440 case. We're going to be using the Elite build of this. Very nice. Let's get started, guys. View with only the touching the edges. We're gonna line up this little arrow with this little arrow right here on the motherboard. Just gonna gently tap it in there. Close it up. Bring it back. Go under there. Lock it down safely. Spots right here. It'll say 1 and 2, or it says 2 and 4. Those are the first ones you want to install. So we're gonna pop it in here. Make sure to line the notches up. Just gonna pop it. Don't be afraid to put some pressure in there. Okay, we have 2 sticks of RAM here. So we're just gonna pop those in, just like that. So put these here. I like to just choose this top one right here, just because I don't know, convenient. Just gonna push it in. Drop that in there. Go ahead and screw that now. Okay, now we just have to do all of the rest of them. So next, we'll do this hard drive. Go ahead and slide that in there. Make sure to get it in the back. Okay, we'll go ahead and tie this, screw in this dumpster right here. Remember, we're gonna put them into here first. Go ahead and round them out. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and install our CPU power source. Label the CPU, just take it, put it in through here, and then you're gonna plug it in right up here. Make sure to align the clicky part, and right there. Should go in really easily. Then we're gonna take our big 24-pin cable. Can't miss it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in right up through here. And then this will just connect in right here. It's really big. Start with this bottom one, plugging into the bottom hard drive. Bottom hard drive. How do I get to there? There we go. Go to the next one. Easier. You just take it out for a second. Go ahead and connect it like this. It's a lot easier. Just go ahead and take it, plug it in, re-plug in your SATA cable, and just push it back down in there. It's holes. Enter it in. You don't have to screw them in just yet, because they just go through. And I did on the wrong one. Hold on, redo that.
Alright, now we're going to install our CPU bracket.
We're going to install our CPU holder. Just line that up with all 4 holes. And then we're gonna screw in all of these. Don't do it too much, just do a little bit. And everyone has their own way of doing it. I like to just put a small amount on the very center of it. Just make a small little dot about the size of a pea. Just put that right in the center. This up. And we're gonna push and turn. Turn. Now you can continue screwing down these all the way. Yeah. Just put it on about here and slide it. Right there. Push on a little bit. Push on the back a little. Slide it that way. Screw it in, top and the bottom. The last and final step is to plug in our CPU fan, our CPU pump. That's this cord and this cord. So, take this cord and plug it into CPU fan 2. That way we can control it from our computer. Plug that in here. We're gonna take our CPU fan and plug that one in to CPU fan 1. Now, we're ready to test it. Let's try it. You may have to remove your hard drive a little bit. Then, I'm just gonna angle it in, line it up right here. You're gonna wanna line up your PCIe with their PCIe slot. Just plug it in there. Now we're gonna take 2 thumb screws, and we're gonna go ahead and screw. We have an 8-pin right here, and we have a 6-pin. So we're gonna have to take the 8-pin, which is a 6-pin with 2 pins connected to it, and we're gonna just plug it in right there. Take the 2. Okay, and then we're gonna plug in 6. Okay, now we're ready. Flip the power switch, turn on the computer. Now for my motherboard, we have to press delete really fast to boot into our BIOS screen. See, entering setup. Now we're in. So for us, we are booting off our SSD. So we're gonna wanna go to settings, boot, and you go ahead and change UEFI hard disk. Change that to hard disk Samsung, because that's what our theme is. We're gonna go to hard disk. Okay, this is all correct. Go ahead and X, save it. We're gonna boot up into the computer. You can see we're now booting into Windows. Let's try some games on it, shall we? Okay. That'll be a cut. Alright, the first game we're gonna try is Minecraft. Let's go ahead and create a new world. Creative mode. We're gonna do a amplified, because you know we got a beefy computer here. We're gonna call this world Epic World. Let's try it. We're loading in, making a new world. Wow, look at this, guys. We're getting such good FPS. Doesn't this look great? Wow. Let's try our next game now.
Hey Ethan, what are you playing?
I'm playing Fortnite. Look at that, 300 FPS. That's so good. Wow. The frame rate I'm getting is insane.
Really?
Yeah, let's go get some frags, shall we? We don't drink those syrup juices.
The mouse pad that you got. APC.
Yes, our gaming computer here, it runs all the newest titles at 1080p 60 FPS and beyond.
Go.
This has been How to Build a Gaming PC. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Esteban.
See you next time, guys. Later.